Hi, welcome to DEVMITRULU. In previous video, we had discussed about first non-repeating character in a string, and today we are going to discuss about removing duplicates from a string in Java. Let's get started. Here, in this package, I am creating a new class which is remove duplicates. And I'm taking the main method over here only so that okay. Outside this main method, inside this class, remove duplicates, we are taking a method called remove duplicates with the variable string. So let's take public and inside this class, right? So static string of remove duplicates. String of str. Okay. And what we are going to do here is like we want to remove the duplicates, right? So let's take a set over here. Set actually maintains like it removes the duplicates, like all the unique characters will be taken in the set, so that we are taking the set. But we have one more collection like linked hash set, so that linked hash set also maintains the insertion order, so in which create characters appear in the string, whatever the character. So it creates an insertion order. So let me take linked hash set. Let me take it as a character. So it was a set, right? I was assigning as a set new of, so linked hash set. Linked hash set. Let's import the linked hash set. The second thing, we are going to iterate the string with the character array, and we need to set check, right? So we can add it to the set, whatever the unique characters are there, and remove the duplicates. So character of str2 to character array. Okay, we are converting the string into character array, and we are taking the set and adding the character. See, whatever we got, we are here. What happens is like each character is added to linked hash set. Okay, if a character is already in the set, it will not be added again. And next thing, we need to take the string builder here, because we need to rebuild the string. So that first thing, we need to take the string builder. Let's take it as sb1. Okay, new string builder. I'm creating. So it was a new string builder, and again I am taking like mostly the string builder is efficient for concatenating for the loop we are going to take. So we are going to take for character c of set. Okay, whatever the set is there, right? We are appending again, append of c. Okay, here it finally we can return whatever the sb1 have, right? We can return to string. Okay, so that it will return the string. And inside the main method, what we are going to take, let's take the string of input equal to, let's take programming only, and string of result equal to, we need to call this method, right? So I'm calling this method for the result, and I am assigning the input string. Okay, so we need to call the result, right? So you need to call the result like string after removing duplicates. It will remove the duplicates, right? So okay, result. Let me check. I am running this as a Java application. So G and M got removed. If you have seen here, like we have achieved to remove the duplicates from the string efficiently using Java. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you want more content like this. And subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.